Good morning. Please come with me. So my name's Michael, and today I'm going to go through and give you the tour of the campus. Please come with me. So this is the first stage of the production process. This is the design room. Let's go in and have a look. So this is the first stage, design. Please take a look. Okay, let's go to the next stage of the production process. Come on. So this is the next stage of the production process. This is the SMT room. Please go and have a look. So now we're going to go and have a look at the next stage of the production process. Let's go. So this room is called the soldering room. Please come and have a look. Next, we're going to check out the assembly room. Come on. So here is the assembly room. Please have a look. Next, we're going to go and see the quality control room. It's just here. Okay, so this room is called the quality control room. Please have a look. So now we're going to move on to the next stage of the production process. Let's go. Here we have the production flow. You can see it a little bit more clearer. And here we have the components spread out, as you can see. Now we're going to move on to the next stage of production. Let's go. So the next stage in the production process is the mechanical room. Let's come and have a look. Please, have a look. So these are the two units from Schneider Electric and ABB. This is where we test our components on these units. Now we're going to move to the next stage in the production process. Let's go. We have a quality control sticker. It's just the remote monitoring for LV and meters. Here's the device. This is the bracket, Wi-Fi line, telephone line, screws, and then the cabling and the battery. Okay, now we're going to move on to one of our simulators. Come and have a look. This one is our RPM grid system. Please have a look. Every room that you've seen here today, every design, every component, every unit has been created and designed by leading engineers here in Cambodia, made in Cambodia. VP.Start isn't just a company. It is a family coming together, sharing the same vision to work towards the same goal. Thank you very much for coming to visit our campus, and we welcome you back next time. Bye-bye for now.
VP.Start, innovation through technology.